9 months ago I made my last video about Breakdance when version 2.0 was released. Wow, time flies, and many things happened to Breakdance. And we have a lot of things to talk about, not only about Breakdance, but also about Oxygen, because Oxygen 6 is here. As you may know, Oxygen is made by the same guys of Breakdance, and the Breakdance users now can use Oxygen for free. I will talk about a spring sale for Breakdance, an interesting one. I will talk about the new features in Breakdance 2.4, because this is the latest beta version. But before diving in, please leave a like at this video, and if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe to my channel. I received many emails on the last few days from Breakdance because, again, we have many things to talk about. The first one is about Oxygen. They released a new Oxygen 6 version, and it's the evolution for Oxygen. Many site builders really liked Oxygen because it was really advanced, but the old version was built on an old infrastructure, so it became a little bit difficult to upgrade Oxygen with the new features and so on. Now, this new Oxygen version is very similar to Breakdance in many things. Some of the Breakdance elements can be used now into Oxygen, but Oxygen remains a more advanced tool to build websites, and obviously it's a little bit more difficult to use if you are not a coder, an HTML coder, or you don't know, maybe CSS and so on. Even if now it's again really similar to Breakdance in the interface and some features. But the most important thing you need to know about Oxygen 6 is that it's now free for all the Breakdance users. I'm talking about Breakdance Pro. So if you are paying for a subscription for Breakdance, you can also download and use Oxygen, as you can see here on this blog article, and it will remain free for you until you keep the subscription for Breakdance. And this is a very good news if you like both Breakdance and Oxygen, or for many users that didn't like Breakdance so much, they used Oxygen because it's more advanced. Some other important things about Oxygen, as you can see, there are some articles here. Your lifetime license continues to be honored if you already have a lifetime license for Oxygen. There's an article with the differences between Breakdance and Oxygen. Our commitment to Oxygen Classic, because the old version, the 4.9, it's still there and usable, I suppose. Two builders, one core builder engine, so they both now are built on the same infrastructure. And then you have some other articles. This is the introducing Oxygen 6.0 if you want to take a look and understand better how it works. But again, the most important news is that you can have and use Oxygen for free if you are subscribed to Breakdance. And about Breakdance, if you are not subscribed, this can be a good chance for you, because until the 31st of March, they again launched this spring sale. And as you can see, these are the different plans and pricing. You have a free version, but it's quite limited. You have the Pro version for one website. You have the Pro version for unlimited websites. And this is, for example, the one I have here. This is the 2.4 beta. Maybe I will show you something, a little bit, some of the new features. And then you have the Pro plus AI bundle. This is a bundle that includes even AI. So you can use AI to write text into your websites or even to help you code. You can find the link in the description if you are interested in trying Breakdance. You can again subscribe for free if you want. You can try the free version, and if you like it, you can upgrade to these ones. Another email I received is this one, a Breakdance recap from version 2 9 months ago, more or less, up to now with version 2.4 beta. So if we take a look at these, we can see the main features they added since Breakdance 2.0, with a new layout engine, CSS grid and flexbox controls, Breakdance AI, design presets, new elements like menu, custom area and content reveal, and much more. Content reveal is, for example, something like this. So let's go here. I can click on this add button and search for content reveal. So something like this. For example, you maybe have seen something like that on some websites. When you click on read more, you can read all the text. And obviously you have different options here to configure it. Breakdance 2.1, this was from September 2024, a brand new image element. And we can see here what this is about. An image element with a cleaner HTML. Alt tag is linked to media library. You can disable search set and sizes using a toggle, and some other little improvements. When you click on the link in the description, you can also watch for these updates section, so you can see for each version all the updates for Breakdance. Then we have an icon library enhancement, custom breakpoint enhancements and global colors in the gradient picker. This is, for example, the icon library enhancements with export icon sets, delete individual icons, improved search, right-click to copy and paste. In this version we also have new condition, is page post built with Breakdance. You can choose custom breakpoints, and the global colors now show in the gradient picker. In November, Breakdance 2.2 came out, added the term loop builder for custom layouts and enhancements to loop elements, including empty state displays. Here we have a video for this version 2.2, and these are some examples for term loop builder and for other new options here. Breakdance 2.3 was released on February 2025, focused on workflow improvements with quick navigator, accordion tab layout options for loops, multi-dynamic data posts in text control, and more. And here is the page where we can see some examples of these new features added: filter and sort post types, or create new pages and templates from here, from this section here. This is the part that's been improved. You can edit template settings from here. You can display loops items in accordion and tab layouts. This is again really interesting. Quickly wrap any element, and you can also use multiple dynamic data points in a single text control. We have the entire changelog here for version 2.3, but now version 2.4 has been released. It's still in beta, but again we have some interesting things here. A preview without leaving the builder option, and it's this one. I find it very useful because before you had to click here and exit to front end to see your preview of the page. Now you just need to click on this button here, and as you can see, you can take a look at the preview of your page you are working on, and by clicking here you can close the preview. So this is very useful. You can use ACF flexible content within Breakdance. You have a new element called hover swapper, and here you can see an example. So when you hover with the mouse, you can swap between images, for example. Really cool. You can now add icons to the menu items, and again you can run from action conditionally, or you have new features for WooCommerce, product lists in this case, show second image on over. This is another cool feature. As you can see, image element, double click to open the media library. Now it's easier to choose your images. New element, overlapped images. This is an example, so you can create very cool things now with Breakdance, and again a complete changelog. So many things, obviously I can't show you everything, but again, if you want, you can click on the link in the description. You can try it for free with the free version, where obviously some advanced features are missing. You can take a look at this site. If you go here, down here, you can find the updates section, the blog section. Here is where you can take a look at all the improvements and all these new features in Breakdance 2.4 and the oldest versions. And remember, the two main news for this video are the option to get Oxygen for free if you are subscribed to Breakdance, and the Breakdance Spring Sale. Until 31st of March you can have these discounted prices, and this bundle is pretty interesting if you also want to use AI into Breakdance, because you can get Breakdance for unlimited websites for $249 yearly with all the options enabled, and included you can also use Oxygen 6.0 if you prefer to use Oxygen because maybe you need to build something more advanced. And that's it for this update for Breakdance. I hope you enjoyed this recap. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what do you think here below in the comments, and if you want, you can take a look at my previous videos by clicking directly here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.